Welcome back to Happy Mommy Makeup. Today we're taking a look at the ColourPop Lush Life Collection. It comes with an eyeshadow palette, 3 cream gel eyeliners, 3 Luxe Glosses, and 3 Cheek Dew blush serums. Alright, and this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. Let's see. Absolute gorgeous paradise colors. My husband and I are actually going to Jamaica at the beginning of August, so this is completely giving me Jamaica vibes. I'll be bringing this and creating some looks there. Here's the 3 Cheek Dews blush serums. We have Passion Flower, Starfruit, and Hibiscus. And I'm going to show you swatches on my hands. Passion Flower, Starfruit, and Hibiscus. I've never used any like cream blushes or anything, so that'll be interesting to play around with. But I'm excited. Here's the 3 Luxe Glosses. We have Vanda. We have Orchid. And we have Peace Lily. And I think this one might be my favorite. It's like a nude with some sparkles. Alright, so let's show you some swatches on the back of my hand. We have Vanda, Orchid, and Peace Lily. And then the last things are these 3 cream gel eyeliners. We have Canopy, which is a matte green. We have Aglow, which is a shimmer metallic light green. And then we have Toucan, which is a metallic yellow. Some swatches here, so Canopy, Aglow, and Toucan. Alright, so I'm gonna pin back my hair so I can do my eyes first. I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This one's in the shade Original. I'm gonna go in with Nani. I'm gonna put it in my crease and just build it up. So I'm taking it above my crease because I have hooded eyelids and I want it to look a little bit, I want that color to be a little bit higher up. I'm gonna take on the Prowl. I'm gonna start on my outer corner and start going in a little bit. I don't know how far I wanna go in yet. A little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with Juicy. I'm gonna put it on the middle of my eyelid, right next to on the Prowl. Ooh. I'm gonna press it into on the Prowl here. I'm not gonna go in too far. And on the inner portion of my eyelid, I'm gonna go in with Pom Pom. Again, I'm gonna apply it with my finger. So I find that's the best way to apply these shimmers for me. I'm gonna take it into Juicy a little bit so it blends. Ooh, yeah. Take that brush that I used for Nani and I'll pick up just a tiny bit blend. I think I'm gonna deepen up that outer corner with on the brow a little bit more too. It's looking nice and pretty. Since we are focusing on the Lush Life collection by ColourPop for this video, I'm just gonna go off camera to do my base makeup, and I'll be right back to use the rest of the products in the collection. So I'll be right back. All right, I'm gonna finish up the eyes now. I'm gonna take on the brow for my lower lash line. I'm gonna start on the outer corner and just drag it in. So it's darker on the outer corner, mix it in with the outer corner up here on my lid and go lighter. I'm gonna take a little bit of Nani and kind of blend in with on the brow on this little fluffy brush here, so it's not so harsh. I'm just kind of blend it in. Let's see, a little bit at a time. Bring it up a little bit. I'm going to use It's Paradise for my inner corner highlights. Ooh, yes. That was the right decision. Yes, that's gorgeous. And I'm gonna use Aglow for my eyeliner. And for the blush, I'm gonna use the Hibiscus Cheek Dew Blush Serum. So again, I've never used these, so I don't know how to apply it. I'm just gonna start with my finger, I guess, and just kind of pat it on, and then I will blend it with my finger. I don't know. That is really pretty. The darkest I've ever had my blush, but it's very pretty. So, okay, I'm gonna go apply some mascara, my brows, and a lip liner, and I will be right back. All right, so I have the rest of my face makeup on. I use the Ali Pen Pal 4-in-1, the lip liner in the shade Mauve. So, and I think for the lip gloss, for the Luxe lip gloss, I'm gonna use Peace Lily. I think that is such a beautiful color nude, and I think it would look beautiful on top of this. So, oh my goodness, it smells so good. I love that. That is beautiful. This is the final look. That's it for this video. This collection is absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to create new looks with it, especially when I go to Jamaica. Bought a couple new outfits, so I plan to create some looks with the outfits that I wear in Jamaica. So Alright, tell me what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Until next time, bye!